Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Faheem, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a sofa set from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here I am writing here sofa. I am writing here sofa set. After adding sofa set, you have to search for a sofa set, and you see a different sample are came in front of you. Here basically different sample are came in front of you. So basically here I am going to open this one. Here this white color sofa set. So here 7 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you. Here is another one. Here you see another one. Here is another sample with different sizes: 24 centimeter, 56 centimeter, 105 centimeter per 155 centimeter, 337 centimeter, 87 centimeter. Here shade 1.66 meter square. Here is another sample. Here shade it is very soft. So and here is the seller recommendation. So basically, if we talk about the price of this one, then you see at PKR 2,40,624 rupees. If we talk about the original price PKR 4,1,039 rupees. But after 40% off, you can buy it only in PKR 2,40,624 rupees. Price shown before tax, free shipping, extra 5% off. European minimalist living room sofa, fabric modern to seater, living room sofa, bedroom, tiny home, sectional, movable household item. Here see 3 is already sold. So basically, if we talk about the color, then you see it white color available, gray color, brown color, blue color. So basically different colors are available in this sofa set. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you see it here is sofa bed, no sofa width less than 2000 pattern other filling down fabric, composite fabrics, model number, living room sofas with storage, no style minimalist, modern, size 150 into 87 into 56, place of origin China, appearance modern style, material fabric, brand name Oin, origin mainland China, CN Guangdong, specific use living room sofa, general use home furniture, type living room furniture, plus material shell fabric, lining composite fabrics, style French, is it customizable, not applicable objects, adult, is it assembled, not packaging volume 1, production information 1, living room sofa, production information 2, armchair, production information 3, lazy, production information 4, sectional, production information 5, luxury, production information 6, lounge, production information 7, modern, production information 10, Zimmer sofas. So basically here discounts and coupon 3% off store discount PKR 80,708 off store coupon. Delivery free shipping from China with China Post Air Parcel, estimated delivery to 23 to 44 days to Pakistan. Service 75-day buyer production. So here basically new arrival and seller recommendation is also given here. And here you can see that cream sofa. Here another sample is given in front of you. Here practical design. Here easy to handle. Number 1, number 2 is hole cut sponge, and number 3 seat widening, number 4 solid wood frame, number here design art. Here basically different sample given. Here one sample. Here is another one. You see that 3 sofa set are available in front of you. So here basically 0.1 per volume. So basically here 40 centimeter. So here another sample are also opening here. So there is a little bit network issue. So basically if you have to buy this sofa set, then you see that the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this sofa set. Thanks for watching this video.